If you were born in 1987, you've spent the last 15 years building a serious career. Whether you're a doctor, lawyer, or teacher, you've likely come a long way.
It's true. Most of us in that age bracket have spent all our energy on qualifications and responsibilities. We've been so focused on the climb that we rarely stop to look around.
Exactly. But there's a big milestone coming up. In 2027, everyone born in 87 is turning 40. And that's not just another birthday. It's a massive turning point.
40 feels like the ultimate opportunity to pause and reset. It's about asking yourself what you're intentionally building for the next 10 years beyond just the next promotion.
That's why this 40 at 40 movement is so interesting. It's specifically for believers who want to enter their 40s with more than just a resume. They want clarity and purpose.
I love that idea of kingdom impact. It's about shifting from just working for a paycheck to really thinking about your legacy and how your faith plays into your professional life.
It's an invitation to stop drifting. Instead of just letting the decade happen to you, you're choosing to prepare for it with a community of peers who are in the exact same boat.
The registration for the initiative is actually free. It's a call for every entrepreneur, banker, and professor out there to take a moment and decide what their next decade looks like.
If you're in that 1987 cohort, you should definitely check it out. Don't just prepare for a title, prepare for a life that actually matters.
And if you know another professional born that same year, send this their way. It's time to start this next chapter with some real intention.